Yo man, you know the much, no boomer man, no boom, no boom man, yo. What is up? It is Boomhauer, and tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Well, today this is going up, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. But welcome back to another episode of Booting with Boom, and today I want to do something special for Thanksgiving tomorrow. I want to build something that the family can use doing while we're eating lunch. We eat lunch for Thanksgiving. I want to do something that we can show thanks for what, we're thankful for this year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make what I'm calling a thankful jar. I saw a few different types of ideas on this online when looking up ideas. So I decided I'm going to go this route and make my own version. So what I'm going to need for this project, I'm going to need a jar. This actually used to be a candy jar. I'm just going to use it for this. This is going to be a one-day bit. Just going to use this jar. I'm going to go with it. Keep rolling. Just going to use this jar. I'm going to need some big popsicle sticks. I think those are like, what, tongue depressors or something like that. And I am also going to need some tape. This is going to be a very easy build, but the one thing that's going to take a little bit of time is the design work I need to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump on the computer and get some design, some graphic design work done. So that's going to be fun. And just so you know, the graphic design stuff, if you want to make this yourself, it'll be down in the description. You can find a link to a Google Drive photo and you can print it off and you can make this yourself. Oh yes. So yeah, let's get the computer and get it going. Okay, so before I actually jump on the computer, I want to get a measurement of the jar. Can you actually see the jar? Hopefully it's clear. But the flat part of the jar, I want to get an actual measurement because, and what I'm thinking of is making a leaf with a banner going all the way to the back of the jar. That's just my idea. So I want to get a measurement of the actual flat part so I know how big to make my leaf. And I'm looking, if I have my glasses on, it'll be a lot easier. I'm thinking 2.5 inches. Yeah, 2.5 inches is going to be my measurement of my leaf from top to bottom. So I can put my leaf on there and then have my banner going all the way around. So 2.5 inches is I'm off frame. 2.5 inches is the number. So we're gonna get going, jump on the computer and get this graphic design stuff going. Oh yeah, and remember you can find this down in the description on a Google Drive photo that I will have a link shared to, and you can print this off and use it on your own jar and make this yourself at home. Yes, it is so cool. Okay, so the graphic is made and printed off. It turned out really good actually. So the next step is cutting it off, and then we're going to tape it on here a specific way. And then I'll show you what the popsicle sticks are used for. The key to cutting details like this is very small cuts. What a lot of people end up doing is they make big cuts. And big cuts you can cut out detail very fast. So very tiny detail cuts you can rotate and get those tiny details involved. You can cut out snowflakes like this. Those tiny little movements help to keep the flow of your cuts. So you don't have a lot of those jagged edges around corners. You know how hard it is to cut out a circle? Yeah, it could be hard to cut a circle out. It really can be. So if you take your cuts very slowly, you can cut out a lot of your detail and leave a lot of those perfect curves and those perfect lines you want on there. So I have that cut out, and just so you can see the idea, well, I may have to go print another one off. That's a lot bigger than I expected. But I'm gonna have to go print another thing off, but you can see the idea I'm going for. Bam, right there. I'm gonna go print another banner off. This turned out to be a lot bigger than I expected it. This jar is really big. So I'm gonna go print out another banner. I get that cut off on screen, and then the next time you see me, I will be ready to put all this together and you'll get to see the final product for Thanksgiving. Oh yeah. Now before I actually get to putting it all together, I wanted to show you how I do my easy over-under braid, and that's what I need this little hook here for. So I have my string, and I want to cut out 3 equal parts of this string, and I don't need it to be that terribly long because I don't need a very, very big piece. So I'm going to cut off 3 pieces about the same length. Found the end of my string here. I'm getting hung on stuff. And they don't have to be exactly the same length, just roughly the same length. And once you have all of your strings cut off, how I do it is I simply tie a knot in the end of the 3. And that kind of just holds them all together. That way, it kind of just holds all 3 of them together in a way, you know. But you start with your 3 strings, and you simply start by going, you take your right one and go over, and you just work your way down. And this one I actually want to be a little bit loose. That's all you're doing. When you get that going, you end up with this beautiful braid, and it looks really freaking cool on camera. I like that. I'm throwing shadows too. It is now time for the full assembly, and how I want to do it, I'm actually going to put 2 leaves on it, make 2 sides. Why not? Some tape, a little piece, and I can hide my crimes. I want to get it exactly in the middle, or as close as I can get it to the middle of the jar, and then slap the tape on it. So there's that. Now I'm going to put the leaves on top of that, and that's what's going to cover up my seams, are the leaves. Yes, you can see exactly how it's turning out. What are you thankful for? So there you have it, the thankful jar. What are you thankful for? And you know what? You know what? I'll be the first one to drop one in. You want to know what I'm thankful for? You want to know what I'm really thankful for? I'll tell you what I'm thankful for. This is what I'm thankful for. I am thankful for you. Did I spell you right? Yeah. I'm thankful for you. I really am. Thank you for tuning in every day. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for following me on Instagram. Thank you for everything that you've done for my channel. I'm thankful for you this Thanksgiving. My people who watch, my subs, my viewers, people who comment, people who like, everybody who has shown me so much love on my channel. I am so humbled, and from the bottom of my heart, we just hit 100 subs like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Thank you so much. I really am thankful for you. And you're the first one to go into the jar. What are you thankful for? I'm thankful for you. And speaking of you, I want to know what you're thankful for. So the next one goes to you. I'm handing this one off to you. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving? Let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you're thankful for. I'm very curious. I will be down there looking for those. That's all I have for this Building with Boom, the thankful jar. This will go up for my family at our Thanksgiving to see what everybody's thankful for this year. I'm very excited, and I like how this little build turned out. It was a nice little build in a cool way to let everybody express their feelings this Thanksgiving. I'm out of here. See ya. Let me know what you're thankful for down in the description. And that's all I have. Dang dope. Bye, man.